Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can customize your grammar checker in Word so that it is doing more for you. When you open a document, from the home page, click on the Review panel, then go over to the Tracking menu, pull down the arrow at the corner, and click on where it says Change Username. Then on the New menu on the left, you're going to go down to the Proofing option and scroll down. Now probably what you'll see on yours is that it just says grammar or possibly spelling and grammar in older versions of Word. And if you look at what that's checking for, you'll see that it's checking for a bunch of stuff here at the top of the page, but it's not checking for any of these items at the bottom of the page, like complex words, passive voice, which is a problem many writers have, sentence structure, and so on and so forth, inclusive language. So what you want to be able to do is customize that grammar checker so that it's checking for more than just spelling and grammar. There's a pull down menu here, so if it was on grammar, you want to put it on grammar and refinements, or it might be grammar and style in older versions of Word. And then you'll see it's checking for all this stuff at the top, but then it's checking for a bunch of other stuff here at the bottom, and whatever is not checked already, if you want it to check for that, gender-specific language, so on and so forth, you simply go down here and click on the boxes of the extra things that you would like it to check for, and then click OK. So now you're going to be getting more bang for your buck whenever you run your spelling and grammar checker on either your discussion posts or those major essays that you'll be submitting later in the course.